Did you know that a simple seed, smaller than a grain of rice, can be a powerhouse for weight loss? Flax seeds, often hailed as a superfood, are packed with nutrients that can contribute to a healthier you. Don't let their size fool you. These tiny seeds are brimming with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and lignans, all of which play a significant role in weight management and overall well-being. Flax seeds come in various forms, making them incredibly versatile for incorporating into your daily diet. You can find them as whole seeds, ground meal, or even as an oil. Each form offers its own set of benefits, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Whether you sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into your smoothie, or add them to your baked goods, flax seeds are an easy and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. Their subtle, nutty flavor complements both sweet and savory dishes, making them a welcome addition to any meal. From promoting digestive health to supporting heart health, the benefits of flax seeds extend far beyond weight loss. Their rich nutritional profile makes them a valuable asset in preventing chronic diseases and improving overall health and longevity. Flax seeds have gained significant attention for their potential role in weight loss, and for good reason. Their high fiber content is a key player in promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing those pesky hunger pangs that often lead to overeating. Fiber acts like a sponge in your digestive system, absorbing water and adding bulk to your stool, which slows down digestion and helps you feel satiated for longer. This prolonged feeling of fullness can be particularly beneficial for those trying to manage their weight, as it can prevent overeating and reduce overall calorie intake. In addition to fiber, flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, which has been linked to appetite suppression. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms involved, some studies suggest that omega-3s may influence hormone levels that regulate hunger and satiety. It's important to note that while flax seeds can be a valuable tool in a weight loss journey, they are not a magic bullet. Incorporating them into a balanced diet and combining their consumption with regular exercise is key to achieving sustainable weight loss. Adding flax seeds to your diet is easier than you might think. Their versatility allows for a wide range of culinary applications, ensuring there's a method for everyone to enjoy their nutty goodness. One of the simplest ways to incorporate flax seeds is to sprinkle them onto your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or oatmeal. You can also blend them into smoothies for a boost of fiber and omega-3s without altering the taste significantly. For those who enjoy baking, ground flax seeds serve as an excellent egg substitute in recipes like pancakes, muffins, and cookies. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed meal with 3 tablespoons of water to replace 1 egg. Another option is to add flax seeds to your salads. Their nutty flavor and crunchy texture can add an interesting dimension to your greens. You can also toast them lightly to enhance their flavor and aroma. While flax seeds offer a myriad of health benefits, it's essential to consume them in moderation. Eating large quantities of flax seeds, especially without adequate water intake, can lead to digestive discomfort, including bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Start with a small amount, about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, and gradually increase your intake as your body adjusts. It's also crucial to drink plenty of water throughout the day to aid in digestion and prevent any potential digestive issues. Here's a special tip to maximize the benefits of flax seeds. Combine them with warm water. Warm water can help soften the outer hull of flax seeds, making it easier for your body to digest and absorb the nutrients. Flax seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet. By incorporating them into your meals and following these simple tips, you can reap their numerous health benefits and work towards achieving your weight loss goals.